Hi, in this video we will take a look at the Shopware number ranges. You can find the number ranges via Settings, Shop, and then Number Ranges. The number ranges affect everything that has an ongoing or incremental number to it within Shopware. So for example, there are the documents like delivery notes, credit notes, and invoices, but also other entities like customers, products, or orders that have to be added up with different numbers are displayed here. Now let's take a closer look to one of the number ranges. So for example, the products number range. So this one, first of all, is the global number range type for product. So there can only be one for product number range, and changes to the number range of type product have to be made here and will globally affect all sales channels. In general, so first of all, there are the settings. Here a name has to be placed, so as this one is the number range for products, the name is products. You can also enter a description. And then we have the actual number range. This one is made out of 3 parts. So there's the prefix, the start number, and the suffix. So the prefix will always stay the same and can be defined here. The start number is then incrementally added up the more products are added to your shop. And the suffix is also something that will always stay the same, but at the end of the number. Then there is the advanced mode that can be activated. Here you can create your own pattern. So there's the variable of the n, so the number, the actual start number, and then you can add whatever as prefix or suffix, or even add the number again, for example. Then underneath the advanced mode, you can see the current number and a preview. So the current number will always show the actual number that is currently used. And as soon as another product is added to your shop, for example, this will be added up to, then in this case, 10,001. Underneath the current number, you can also see the assignments. So in this case, the number range is assigned to product and will therefore affect all your products that you add to your shop.